And once again, I welcome everyone to the DriveExpress channel. The Lexus LX 700HE is fitted with a V6, a motor generator, and a waterproof battery. Off-road performance is ensured even in the case of a hybrid system failure. The LX also gains tech and chassis upgrades, improving comfort and ride refinement. The LX was the last remaining Lexus model without an electrified option until today. Enter the 2025 LX 700H, featuring a new parallel hybrid system anchored by a V6 engine, alongside several enhancements to its chassis, safety technology, and interior design. At the heart of this new hybrid setup is a twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engine, paired with a motor generator and a clutch, nestled between the engine and the 10-speed automatic gearbox. While Lexus has been tight-lipped about the LX 700H's exact power output, it likely mirrors the Toyota Tundra iForce Max's 437 horsepower, 326 kilowatts, and 790 newton-meters of torque, given the similar mechanical setup. It's a powertrain destined to make its way into the mechanically related Toyota Land Cruiser, which is not offered in North America. Weighing in at 2,780 kilograms, the LX 700H Hybrid adds 120 kilograms over its non-electrified LX 600 sibling. But this extra heft isn't just dead weight, it includes both an alternator and a starter, ensuring the full-time 4WD system remains operational even in the unlikely event of a hybrid failure. In typical Lexus fashion, the crucial off-road systems like the low-range transfer case, active height control, and active traction control remain fully intact, preserving the LX's off-road credentials. Tucked beneath the cargo area, the high-voltage battery pack of indeterminate capacity shares space with a relocated 12-volt auxiliary battery. It is housed within a waterproof tray that features a water sensor, allowing a weighting depth of 700 millimeters. Furthermore, a waterproof AC inverter provides external power supply of up to 1,500 watts or 2,400 watts, depending on the region, through multiple outlets. Lexus engineers have also refined the LX's GAF architecture. Redesigned cab-mount cushions help reduce low-frequency vibrations, while updates to the AVS system and low transfer case enhance overall ride quality. Additional brackets on the instrument panel and a reinforced radiator support improve steering responsiveness. Lastly, the LX 700H benefits from a new cross-member and reinforced rear engine mounts, compensating for the added weight of the hybrid system. Visually, the LX 700H doesn't stray far from its standard counterparts, save for the subtle 700H badging on the tailgate. But for 2025, Lexus introduces the Overtrail Edition, an off-road focused variant inspired by its smaller GX and NX siblings. The Overtrail rides on distinctive matte gray aluminum wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, a first for the LX. Exclusive Moon Desert exterior paint, a blacked-out grille, and dark trim accents give the Overtrail a more rugged persona. Inside, the Overtrail trim combines a low-saturation monolith upholstery with ash burl black ornamentation. More importantly, the special edition is equipped with front and rear differential locks, alongside the center differential lock, which is standard on all trims. Across all variants, Lexus has sprinkled in tech upgrades, starting with a revamped 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and faster wireless charging pads. All variants of the Lexus LX adopt a fresh 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and upgraded wireless charging pads to support faster charging rates. VIP and executive trims take luxury up a notch with refreshed seats for both driver and passenger, offering 5 massage programs, including full body and targeted options with varying intensity levels. The latest iteration of the Lexus Safety System Plus also makes its debut, packing even more safety features. Lexus LX 700H is set to launch in phases across different regions, beginning in late 2024, with a North American debut anticipated in the coming months. I would like to hear your opinion about 2025 Lexus LX, and I'll be waiting for it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel not to miss the latest news from the world of automobiles. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.